Hey guys, connecting your Wix site to Google Search Console is one of the most important steps to help your website get indexed and tracked by Google. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to set it up correctly in 2025. So from your Wix dashboard, navigate to Marketing and SEO. Basically scroll down and click on Marketing. Now choose SEO Setup Checklist. Or you can also just scroll down and click on SEO and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on Connect to Google under Google Search Console that you will see under Site Performance on Google. So this is where you can connect your site to Google Search Console without touching any complex code. Open the Google Search Console in New tab, click Add Property, enter your website domain and choose the URL prefix method. And Google will give you a verification meta tag. Copy it, but don't close the page yet. Go back to Wix on this page. Paste the meta tag in the Google Search Console field under site verification. So when you click on Connect to Google, go to SEO Setup Checklist to first complete the SEO Setup Checklist, and after that only you'll be able to connect it to Google Search Console. So you'll have to basically go back to Wix, paste the meta tag in the Google Search Console field under site verification. Now click Save and Wix will automatically insert the tag in your site's header for you. No manual coding required. Now, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. If the tag is correctly placed, your site will be successfully connected. Once verified, Google can start indexing your pages and sending performance data to your Search Console dashboard. Now in Google Search Console, go to the Sitemap section and submit your Wix sitemap, and this helps Google crawl your entire site faster and more efficiently. So, final verdict, connecting Wix to Google Search Console in 2025 is fast, no-code process that unlocks crucial SEO tracking. Once connected, you can monitor your search performance, track rankings, and fix any site issues with ease. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.